Hey friends, if you wish to create a system restore shortcut on desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So we have a command which is rstrui.exe. I'll make it larger so that you can see. I have shared it in the description section of the video as well. So all you need to do is go to desktop, right click in the open space, select new shortcut and give it the same path. Click on next and finish. Now the shortcut has been created. Simply double click on it and it will open the system restore page. And you can obviously right click in the open space, select show more options and refresh it. Okay. So this is how it will be. Auto align icons to the grid. So this is what you have to do. This way you will have a shortcut on desktop. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.